Don't be shocked, this is just me making some homemade fried chicken. Guys, if you are new to the channel, welcome back. It has been a minute, but I am making quick fried chicken and I'm going to use the air fryer to make it. So I've marinated the chicken and I've done the batter with some flour, some milk, some egg. So the chicken is marinated and all I'm going to do is put it all in the air fryer, and I'm going to put it in there for about 20 to 30 minutes and then flip it, and boom, there you have it. Quick homemade fried chicken. Guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Click on that like button if you are a returnee. I love you so much, and guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Home fried chicken, there you go, served up. Yum 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 yum. Bye.
How do you take